It is very simple to use Graidup. Wait for the app to load. Then press on your name. Welcome to Graidup Classroom. Here you will see all the wonderful features of Graidup. Press on Read a Book to read a book. Press on Watch Cartoons to watch cartoons. Press on Take a Quiz to play the quiz game. You can also practice with some questions and answers by pressing on Read Questions and Answers. Press on Take a Homework to get some questions to try. Anytime you want to see your report, just press See Your Report. Walking through the app is easy. Everything has been arranged just like the school textbook. If you want to watch cartoons, press on Watch Cartoons and press the subject you want. You will see all the units in the syllabus. Press a unit and see all the lessons in that unit. Now you are ready to go. Press a lesson and the cartoon video starts immediately.
Let us count 2 groups of stars.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me write the 2 groups on the board.
After the cartoons, you can watch again if you didn't understand, or watch another cartoon videos, or take a quiz. If you want to take a quiz,
what is the sum of A and B? 7 counters, 6 counters, 8 counters.
Select an option and wait for the confirmation button. Confirm your answer and get feedback immediately. After the quiz, you'll get your overall score. You can press Next Quiz to continue with the quiz games. Press Continue Learning to continue with the cartoons videos. To read a book, press Go to Classroom. Press Read a Book. Press the unit you want. The lessons and the book here. You can even let the book read itself to you.
We use the additional sign and the equal sign to find the sum of numbers.
Whenever you are ready, play the quiz game to test your knowledge. Graidup, because it is made for children, it has been made easy to use. Graidup, teacher on tablet.